I want to introduce you Elgi new family compressor. Model is 850-150. This compressor is 850 CFM and 150 PSI. And you can see that here is a control panel, and here is a normal ignition key, and these are the indication lights, and this is stop button. This is same temperature gauge, pressure gauge, and fuel level. And here you can see this is the deep sea controller. Because initial old models deep sea controllers was not there because Elgi was using mechanical engine, but now they are using electronic ECU operated engines. So you can see here with this one there is a lever, it's called unload and start. So whenever this one you can see here, if we see starting time, we will push this one, pull it this one, and when we need on the load, then we will put it this position. What would happen inside, you can see when we pull this one this way, you can see here butterfly is always closed while starting. So after that once compressor start, we will put it on the load. So forcefully we close the butterfly, and here there is a loading and unloading valve. And now I can show you inside. There is Volvo Penta engine, and here is standard air, and there is a double filtration systems. Here is 3 oil filter, then pressure regulator. All the things are similar like old models. Here is only this one. There is additional because of electronic engine. There is a speed control sensor, so they are also operating speed also control with this pressure regulator. And then I will show you the this side. See here there is a isolator, battery isolator, and here this is the Volvo Penta engine. This is ECU, engine control unit, and here is oil filling cap, oil dipstick, and here is all the system. There is a lube oil filter, fuel filter, and here is also fuel filters, water separator. This is also, and here is this is so very pleasing to eye model. And you can see here, I'll show you the close the gate. See here openly from the wide view. So there is a right side, there is a controller and control panel, loading unloading valve, emergency switch, nameplate, and there is starting and lever. And here is a double cooler. One is oil cooler, another side is radiator, engine radiator. I'll show you here. This model having you can see here this is the right side compressor oil drain pipe, and this is a radiator drain pipe, and this is engine oil drain pipe. So here I'll show you this left side. This side also looks very beautiful. They having also 2 gate, and there is a one small window. I'll show you this one. Once I open this one and this one, and then I'll show you this one. So here this is engine side. You can see here this is a radiator and oil cooler with engine fan, and also here is charging alternator 24 volt, and here is the starting motor. And here is also, you can see a top in side silencer, and you can see here is its huge diesel tank, and air filter, and here diesel filling cap. So inside I can show you this side. Here is air filter, then butterfly valve, then this is, you can see here compressor, some tank, and separator, all the control lines, hoses. They are using very nice and very good quality hoses, and this compressor. And there is an additional new upgrade system is ARV system, so this engine have no fluctuation. And there is a very upgrade and very famous in sandblasting industry, sandblasting and painting, and also oil drilling and oil fields, and also mining. And you can see here this is 3-port, one is 2-inch, and rest of the 3x4. And here, so this is a complete overview of Elgi PG850-150 model.